بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
As-salāmu alaykum, dear brothers and sisters. Indeed, the Holy Quran is a rope of Allah extended onto the earth from the sky. Whosoever reads the words from the book of Allah, there will be a luminous light for him on the day of judgment. Al-Hadi organization, which is a non-profit charitable organization dedicated in the service of Allah, His Messenger and the Ahlul Bayt, is organizing a worldwide Qira'at competition for children aged between 9 to 15 years. This is a humble initiative in the service to the Book of Allah, and inshallah, we shall come up with more such interesting events in the future. The competition will be judged by an expert in the field, a well-renowned Qari, Brother ḥusain Hussain, who recently secured one of the top positions in the Quran Qira'at competition held in the holy city of Qum, sharing with you his clip from the competition so that it may boost up the morale and encourage you to participate in this unique event.
إن الله بما يعملون محيط وإذ غدوت من أهلك تبوئ المؤمنين مقاعد للقتال والله سميع عليم إذ هم الطائفتان منكم أن تفشلا والله وليهما وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
So, to register, don't forget to carefully read out the details clearly mentioned on Al-Hadi's Instagram page. We are sincerely looking forward to your active participation, where our sole aim is to build your attachment towards the Quran, which is the initial step towards the comprehension of Quran before eventually acting upon it. Don't forget to share the clip with your loved ones. And yes, we pray for the safety of all the mu'mineen across the world in this pandemic situation. Wassalamu alaikum jami'an wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.